There are many unknowns in the world. In what way are you exploring them? You might as well try our K1 drone. Excellent GPS positioning function, 4K camera with clean fuselage. It can sense the signal source in real time and follow it intelligently. Innovative gesture instructions, free from complex physical manipulation, make photography and video recording more arbitrary. Configuration of steering camera. Fixed-point trajectory flight. 360-degree circumferential flight bring you more diverse flight experience. The 30-minute super long flight time, one-click return function, so that every flight has a security guarantee. Wonderful images, MV production, one-click sharing. Let it go. Put the aircraft on horizontal ground. Press the top switch of the aircraft to open the aircraft. Turn on the power switch of the remote controller. Push the left rocker upward and then pull down. After a drive, the frequency matching is successful. Press the geomagnetic calibration button once. The aircraft indicator lights are blue and red flashing slowly. Pick up the aircraft. Make horizontal clockwise rotation within 3 laps.
We paying that alone. I'm in the kitchen, the chicken whipping and nothing in the trap it off. I gotta get to the dollar. On the head of the back, come on. Smoking on gas, a lot. Ready to whack, come on.
Here is the remote control.
Come on.
Then you whack one time. Calculation.
This what I do to the head of the chopper, hit and tell her back, come on. She like
GPS
applejack. I like applesauce.
Now take off. When the satellite quantity reaches about 9,
in your fashion on. Chain around my neck and I
unlock takeoff. When the aircraft is in the indoor use of optical flow mode to take off, you need to long time press the remote control headless mode button. When you hear the remote control drop sound, optical flow mode will unlock successfully so that you can take off. Connect Wi-Fi to app. Pop up prompt box. Click OK to unlock the flight.
Been in basketball, we paying that a lot. I'm in this kitchen, the chicken whipping and nothing in the trap it off.
Demonstration of basic functions.
On the head of the back, come on. Smoking on gas, a lot. Ready to whack, come on. Whack, come on. Whack, come on. Clap, 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 come on. This what I do to the head of the chopper, hit and tell him back, come on. She like applejack, I like applesauce. Dance about, dance go. Why you trying to flex in your fashion on? Chain around my neck and I soft.
Double speed switch. Short press the photo button. Short press the video key. The elevation angle of the camera can be adjusted by adjusting the button of the camera. In GPS mode, the aircraft will follow the mobile phone.
I'm in the kitchen, the chicken whipping and nothing in the trap it off. I gotta get to the dollar. On the head and back, come on.
Click on the flight button, and the interface will be converted into a map interface. Stretch and enlarge the map to select the location of the map. Click on the send icon. The aircraft will fly according to the location selected on the map. Click on the visual recognition button, then turn on the visual recognition function and put the gesture in front of the camera. After the successful recognition of the aircraft, count down begins to take pictures in 3 seconds. 5 fingers in front of the camera are closed and raised. After the aircraft is recognized successfully, the video begins. In GPS mode, the aircraft will automatically return to the takeoff point.
This what I do to the head of the chopper, hit and tell him back, come on. She like applejack, I like applesauce.
And the production button, which enter the music video recording interface.
Chain around my neck and I